Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily had always admired her grandmother, who was known for her unwavering mental strength. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to seek her grandmother's wisdom to learn the secrets of becoming mentally strong. Here are the 3 invaluable tips her grandmother shared. Tip 1. Embrace resilience. Lily's grandmother began her tale with the importance of resilience. She recounted a story from her own youth when a powerful storm had swept through the village, destroying their crops. At that time, the whole village faced hardships, but her grandmother chose to view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. She said, "Resilience is like the sturdy oak tree that bends but never breaks in the storm. Embrace adversity as a chance to become stronger. Life's challenges are the best teachers." Tip 2. Cultivate a positive mindset. Next, her grandmother emphasized the power of a positive mindset. She shared how, during difficult times, she would wake up each day and express gratitude for the small joys in life, like the warmth of the sun or the laughter of children playing. She said, "Your mind is like a garden. Nurture it with positivity, and you'll harvest a bountiful crop of mental strength. Focus on solutions, not problems, and you'll find a way through any challenge." Tip 3. Seek inner balance. Lily's grandmother concluded with a lesson on inner balance. She explained that mental strength also came from understanding and managing one's emotions. She told Lily about a time when she felt overwhelmed by grief after a loved one's passing. She learned to acknowledge her emotions without letting them control her. "Balance your emotions like a tightrope walker," she advised. "Feel them fully, but don't let them push you off course." This inner equilibrium is the foundation of mental strength. Lily listened attentively, absorbing her grandmother's wisdom like a sponge. She knew that these 3 tips would become her guiding principles on the path to mental strength. Years passed, and Lily indeed became a beacon of mental fortitude in the village. She faced life's challenges with resilience, maintained a positive outlook even in the darkest of times, and found her inner balance through the storms of life, just as her grandmother had taught her. Her story became a legend in the village, a testament to the enduring power of these 3 timeless tips on the journey to becoming mentally strong.